up everybody, thank you for checking out another guitar lesson with me, the Chord Basher. This time we're going to be looking at how you play Hold On by Justin Bieber. Really simple song to play, a little bit of finger picking and 3 chords. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Got loads of videos coming out very soon. There's a load of back catalogue videos as well. Hit that like and subscribe button. If you have any comments or questions, please hit me up in the comments section below. Right, let's see how we play this song. So, you heard in the introduction, it's actually very simple, that first little bit. It's rocking between this note, and this note. So it's a D flat, B, and an A. But you've got this all the way through, which is simply just your E string and your B string. And I'm plucking it with my third finger and my second finger. Third finger on the first string, third finger on the second string. So third finger on the first string, and then my third finger on the second string. So you've got your first finger is going to be on that D flat, which is 4th fret up on our 5th string, and you're going to pluck that with your thumb, and then you're going to pluck the E string and the B string. That's what it should sound like. If you feel more comfortable using your second finger instead of your first finger, no problem. So we're going to do that twice. And then we're going to move that finger on the 4th fret down to the 2nd fret, still on that 5th string. And then we're going to take it off completely, and it's all open string for this, which is open A. And then we're going to put our second finger back on that second string, that 2nd fret of the 5th string. So it should sound like this. If you want to, you can use a plectrum if you feel more comfortable. I think with the plectrum it will brighten the sound up a little bit. The sound of your fingers sort of makes it a little bit more sort of rounded, so you'll get a bit more of a harsher sound, I should say. So it really just rocks between those 3 notes until we come to the chorus section, which is basically this. Very simply, you've got to know your bar chords. You've got a D flat minor there. We played a D flat minor by barring all of the 4th fret with our first finger. Our second finger is on the 5th fret of the 2nd string. Our third finger is on the 6th fret of the 4th string, and our pinky finger's tucked underneath on that 6th fret of the 3rd string. It should sound like this. You can strum from string number 5 down. So I'm going. And then I've got my B, and I'm playing that as an open B shape, B major, with the E and the B ringing out. So you play that chord by first finger, 2nd fret, 5th string. Third finger on the 4th fret of the 4th string, and then our pinky finger on the 4th fret of the 3rd string. And we're playing all 5 strings from the A down. And then we've got our A. And the way I'm playing my A is that I'm shifting all the way down to that first position into the 2nd fret there, and I'm keeping my 3rd finger, my 4th finger, or my pinky finger, exactly in the same shape, but just down onto that 2nd fret. So I'm going. when you put that all together, you've got And again, the best way to do this, play along with the track. So if you have the track in the background, you can have it going away like this. Here come the chords. So play along with the track, it really helps. Those are the simplest way, well, that is the simplest way of playing the song. Open strings, all in that first position, those 3 chords, master the chords, get used to playing with the plectrum or with your fingers, add some dynamics in as well. Try the palm muting. If you don't know what palm muting is, have a look at my video on palm muting and how to do it. Add your own dynamics as well. Have a go, experiment. If you've got any questions, hit me up in the comments section below. Answer any questions that you've got. If you've got a video that you want to upload and you want me to have a little listen, absolutely fine. Just link me up in the comments as well. Thanks for checking it out, and I shall see you again very soon.